This is one of those battery spot welders, and it's been sitting in a box for a long time. And I was trying to decide what to do with it. I took it out and I noticed that it's just crumbling. Yeah. There's not even enough left there for me to measure it and then 3D print it. It's literally just turning to powder. Okay, another one of those online purchases that just wasn't worth it. Okay, well, hope you found that amusing and interesting, and maybe it'll keep you from buying this junk that's just not worth it.